creating the existing terrain subsoil. With the topsoil established, we can now model the subsoil surface, the actual base terrain that will support the construction. The workflow here is simple but important. For creating this surface, we will use the excavated area defined by this polygon, a polygon that has 150 meters by 180 meters. This polygon was established in order to work efficient and use only the space needed in the project and where the construction will take place. First, let's select the spot levels relevant for this purpose by using just the magic wand and create the land surface. It's a simulation of selecting the relevant spot levels for this area. And then using copy to category function, we will copy them from topsoil to existing terrain subsoil. Now that the points are copied, if I zoom in closer, we can see that the points are basically overlapped, but they have a different appearance due to the different settings in the MVO based on their category. Next step is to use the LAND4 selection palette, where we can select the category called existing subsoil that we want to change, and spot levels. Now we have the spot levels selected only within the category want, and then we can go to move and elevate. Now we want to lower down all these points with 300 millimeters. The thickness of the topsoil that we have established. So if I move the text again, we can see that is a difference of 300 millimeters in between the spot levels. Now we have the spot levels ready, so we can go on and create the surface. Select the right category, press on create land surface function, and using the polygon established, select the points and input the right name, existing terrain subsoil. The surface is now created, so we can go to the 3D view, and it will lay just below the topsoil surface, so we can select and hide the topsoil surface, and then we have the subsoil surface. We can go into the land surface settings. Let's start with the level lines. So we show the level lines in both 2D and 3D and input the same height distance of 500 millimeters. Let's also set a different pen for the level lines. Next, we can set the surface under LAND4 surfaces, and we can pick the surface that we want to set for the topsoil. Let's also change the fill color by using the same color as we used in the 3D for the surface. To get a better understanding of the topsoil subsoil surfaces and how they meet, I can create a hole in the topsoil surface using the excavated area and the area that is defining the subsoil, and then visualize the result in the 3D, where we can see that the surfaces are parallel with a height distance or difference of 300 millimeters that we established for the topsoil. In the following chapter, we'll continue in adjusting the foundation module in reference with the terrain.